I want to show you guys how to calculate the total built up area in Revit. All you are going to do is you are going to go to your floor plan. If you look at this is not a perfect rectangle. If it is a perfect rectangle, you can simply multiply the breadth by the length. But here you have a complex shape. So what you use to quickly calculate the floor area is simply go to Annotate tab. Here you are going to see Fill Region. Click on this drop down. You see Fill the region. Select that particular field region, and then you are going to sketch out the external wall. You can pick all this external wall. If you like, you can on your thick line and pick all the external wall. Make sure the lines are looped. You can use the trim to corner to make sure the edges are looped together neatly. Because if they are not looped, it's not going to work. If there is any area that is leaking, it won't work. Let's finish it and see. Okay, one area is leaking somewhere here. Let's finish it now. Alright, now that we have filled the whole floor area with filled region, if you go to your property palette, you see the area. Now you can see the area we have here is 164.948 meters square. So you quickly write it down in your notebook or wherever I want to write it down. Now that you have known the floor area, you can now delete this one. We only use it to calculate the floor area. So that is how you can calculate the floor area in Revit with ease. See you in the next video. Bye.